Hey, good morning. It's back to Monday and it is cold again. Gonna be really cold this week. And here we are at another episode of As the Pump Turns. Okay, there it is. $3.14 on Inauguration Day for Mr. Trump. All right, let's see what happens from here on out, folks. Hopefully it gets better, right? All right, we are sporting a 5-beam pool cage to get the week started. It is going to be cold. We might even get some snow flurries here for the middle of the week. All right, so let's get to the pool cage and a little downstream class, and hopefully it's a moldy mess and we can see just how to get that green out of the screen. All right, I'm Doc from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, good morning. Here we are. Got all the furniture moved out. Nice teak wood furniture. I got here a little early today, an hour earlier. I said I'd be here at 9, but didn't read the logbook. Anyway, I'm glad the customer wasn't too angry. Anyway, this is your downstream injector. This is a 2.3. I have a 10-gallon a minute machine. 10 and a half, they say, whatever that means. Hook that up to your unloader, then you run your SH line over to the SH tank right here. Now we have this really nice looking filter here. See that? Has holes in the top, holes in the bottom. Got a few rocks in there, so it'll send it down to the bottom for you. You don't have any problem with that. There's a special sauce. Not going to get anywhere without that either. That's SH, sodium hypochlorite. If you don't know what SH means, better known as pool chlorine. 12.5%. All right, we got 150 feet reeled off today. Plugging in. Running machine B this week. We ran it the first week. We ran A the second week, and we got some oil leaking out of the machine A over there. We're gonna have to wipe that all up, and then we'll everything's full, so we'll monitor it as we're going along. All right, we got a pool cage today, so let's go ahead and get in there. Let's get after it. We got some mold on the screens. We got all kinds of stuff, pavers, we got weeds, so it's going to be a good job. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's talk about these tips. This is an M5 twist, but it's not. It's an American twist. It's made out of stainless. Very good. This turns the soap on. These turn the soap off. 0015 wash jet tip, 1515 medium width rinse tip, and a 4015 wide rinse tip. These turn the soap off. This turns the soap on. Also, open that baby up. It's got a 10060 hole in there. Close it up and you got a fan. Works great. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. We got everything SH down. The algae is getting killed. We did a sample down the side of the house there too. We'll look at that on the way out. We did sell the house, and we'll be back next week to clean the whole place. Great deal, great people, regular customer, and everybody seems to be happy here. And that's what we do at Super Blast. We make our customers very happy. All right, let's get after it. All right, that step's done. Look how nice and clean the deck is. Now all we got to do is the satisfying rinse. Even got this moldy chair cleaned up. We'll get this stuff off of here. That'll come right off, and then everybody's gonna be happy, all right? Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Looks perfect. Everything's clean. The chair's clean. We got one screen ripped out. They already knew it was going to happen. Everybody's happy. Had an audience the whole morning. That's okay. Now look how nice and clean this is all the way down the side here. Gonna be very impressed with that, and then they'll go ahead and schedule the job for next week. Got to keep the jobs coming, you know what I mean? This is not that big of a house. We'll get the driveway done and the house next week. But now let's get ahead and get after the satisfying ribs. All right, let's get after it. Hey, hey, hey. Well, that's a good way to start the week. Regular customers referring their family to you. You know, I have a lot of customers like that. I'll go to one place and then I'll end up doing their daughter's house, their son's house, their brother-in-law's, mother-in-law's. Sometimes it trickles down a long way. Once the family finds somebody good that gives them good service for an excellent price, I might add, they call you and they use you and they refer you. That's how you build a strong company. All right? Just wanted to check in. Thank you very much, Chris. Nice meeting you. And Tony, always a pleasure, my friend. Say hello to Mike, Crazy Boy, Gary Crum, and Russ over there. Tell everybody I said hello. And when that wall gets dirty again, we'll be out to clean it again. And we'll even match the same price we did 2 years ago. All right? I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it, shall we? See you tomorrow. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it. All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it.
Get after it.